Assalamu alaikum brothers. Today I will tell you how to make a route in MapInfo. First of all, we will go to open the raster. I am opening the raster. Now I will add new table and then click on create. I will add and give a name. I will select projection longitude and latitude, and then I will create it. I will make a folder with the name of route. I will save my file here. Now I will cross it. Again I will go to open, click on the route, and then I will select current mapper and I will open it. Now I will select editing. For example, on the map I am drawing the route of G10. I will click on polyline, and then first I will select the line. You want its color red or black, any type of color you want, you can choose it, and then I will give it number how much will be its width, then okay. Now I will click on polyline, and now I will draw my route. And escape, I click escape, my route drawn. I will select from here, here. Now I will save table, save it. I will open my map terms investigation. Now I will add my route to see it. I select the route which I have drawn. I will see, click on view entire layer, and now you can see it, my route has been drawn. Thank you brothers.